Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Dhruv Maharaj ruled over this planet for 36,000 years. He diminished the reactions of pious activities by enjoyment, and by practicing austerities he diminished inauspicious reactions. That Dhruv Maharaj ruled over the planet for 36,000 years means that he was present in the Satya Yuga, because in the Satya Yuga people used to live for 100,000 years. In the next Yuga, Treta, people used to live for 10,000 years, and in the next Yuga, Dvapar, for 1,000 years. In the present age, the Kali Yuga, the maximum duration of life is 100 years. With the change of the yugas, the duration of life and memory, the quality of kindness and all other good qualities diminish. There are two kinds of activities, namely pious and impious. By executing pious activities, one can gain facilities for higher material enjoyment, but due to impious activities, one has to undergo severe distress. A devotee, however, is not interested in enjoyment or affected by distress. When he is prosperous, he knows, I am diminishing the results of my pious activities, and when he is in distress, he knows, I am diminishing the reactions of my impious activities. A devotee is not concerned with enjoyment or distress, he simply desires to execute devotional service. It is said in the Srimad Bhagwatam that devotional service should be a pratihat, unchecked by the material conditions of happiness or distress. The devotee undergoes processes of austerity, such as observing Ekadashi and similar other fasting days, and refraining from illicit sex life, intoxication, gambling, and meat-eating. Thus he becomes purified from the reactions of his past impious life, and because he engages in devotional service, which is the most pious activity, he enjoys life without separate endeavor.